I used to swim in the pool whenever I wanted without a care in the world. But now, it's too clean and honestly, it's overrun.
It's so sad. During the day, I only get the pool to myself when it pours. No, thank you. I'd rather hide under my Barbie umbrella.
Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.
Don't get me wrong, the water is incredible now, crystal clear, and I just have to swim at night. Look at them, happy, splashing, zero algae, zero stress, all because of the Superior pool pump. They're ruining my life.
Superior pool pumps are engineered to perform, built to last, provide pristine water quality, and have a decades-old family legacy.